And at the top of this hour, we're getting some very unfortunate news from Jharkhand. All 7 people on board an air ambulance were killed after the aircraft crashed near Simaria in Jharkhand's Chatra district on Monday evening while en route to Delhi from Ranchi. And the crash took place shortly after the aircraft operated by Redbird Airways Private Limited took off from Ranchi Airport at 7:11 p.m. And there were 7 people on board the air ambulance, and we're learning that all 7 people on board this air ambulance have been killed in this crash. The plane was on the way to Delhi from Ranchi. It had a patient, and medical team was also there. Pilot and co-pilot were there. The aircraft went missing around 7:30 p.m. Remember, it took off at around 7:11 p.m. from the Ranchi airport, and it went missing around 7:30 p.m. It crashed at Baryatu Panchayat area in Simaria, and the crash location was deep inside a forest.
क्रैश की आवाज़ आई, आपको लगा कि वो प्लेन या हेलीकॉप्टर क्रैश किया, इस तरह के फील हम लोग का हुआ। उसके बाद बारिश होने लगा, कोई देखा नहीं, हम लोग पूरा आदमी फोन पूरा हो गया हुआ, पूरा खोजबीन हुआ। तो लास्ट में आए तो सामने 2 पार्ट ऊपर मिला गाड़ी प्लेन का। उसके बाद खोजते खोजते इधर आ गए, देखिए यहाँ प्लेन पूरा क्रैश हो गया।
Our ambulance team and the doctor's team has arrived, and we got the support from the Latehar also side, and we cordoned the area. We got our forces, we cordoned the area. We try to protect the persons who were there, because we didn't know whether they are alive or dead. But the moment the doctor has declared them dead, then our priority has changed, and we try to rescue them from this plane, and we have shifted them to the hospital. Now the Delhi team will come for the investigation purpose, and they will do the investigation, and they will try to recover the black box, and they do their own work. And till that time, we have to protect this area, so we have deployed large number of forces over here, and we'll keep this PO protected.
जैसे हम लोगों को इन्फॉर्मेशन पता चला, हम लोग मेडिकल टीम के साथ जो है रश किए यहाँ पे, बट अनफॉर्चुनेटली डॉक्टर्स का टीम इन्होंने फाउंड डेड डिक्लेयर किया। तो हम लोगों ने उनका बॉडीज को निकाल करके पोस्टमार्टम के लिए और फर्दर इन्वेस्टिगेशन के लिए भेजे। इसमें जो है कल सिविल एविएशन मिनिस्ट्री से जो है टीम आ रहे हैं, वो लोग इसका ब्लैक बॉक्स जो है आइडेंटिफाई करके इसका एक्सीडेंट का कारण वगैरह वो लोग ढूंढेंगे।
And my colleague Satyajit is now joining us with more details on this. Satyajit, what more details are we getting about the final moments of this aircraft before the crash?
Well, Anjali, it will be ascertained after the plane recorder is retrieved. But the incident is a patient named Sanjay Kumar was brought from Chandwa Latehar to Devkamal Hospital in Ranchi with 65% burns. The chief plastic surgeon, Dr. Anand Sinha, said that on the demand of family, he was referred to a higher medical center, and he was being taken to higher medical center at Delhi, and they had booked air ambulance. It took off at around 7:11 p.m., 7:11 p.m. And after some time, 15 or 20 minutes, it went out of radar. And then around 10 p.m. or 10:30 p.m. it was recovered. It was said from by the airport director that plane has crashed, and it has crashed in Karmatar village under Simaria PS. And the further details were awaited. All aboard passengers have been declared dead, and on board was 2 attendants of the family, Sanjay Kumar, pilot and co-pilot, paramedical staff. So altogether there were 7 passengers on board, but all of them were dead. The bodies have been recovered. They have been sent for postmortem.
All right.
And the civil aviation team will come to the site to retrieve the black box, and then the other investigations are going to start.
Right.
Then it will be known. Of course, the weather was not good at around 7 in Ranchi also. The weather department IMD has issued an alert that their gusty wind with a speed of 30 to 40 kilometers will blow, and chances of thunderstorm and rain, heavy rain was predicted by the IMD.
But
So,
Satyajit, the question that arises now is that if the weather was not good, if there was an alert that was issued by the IMD, why was a nod given to this aircraft to fly?
Now, this all the issues are subject to investigation. What was the situation? Now, Civil Aviation Department will ascertain what were the reasons, what went wrong, where were the flaws. That all has to be decided and ascertained by the Civil Aviation Department. But the flight took off at 7:11 p.m. from Ranchi, and it went out of radar after just 15-20 minutes. It lost the contact with ATC. Anjali.
Right, and were the necessary checks done before the flight, before the aircraft took off at 7:11 p.m.?
All the airport director said that all the SOPs were followed. Now all the subjects are now up to investigation. But the airport director said that they have received an information from DGCA that plane lost the contact from ATC Kolkata, and it has crashed in jungles of Chatra Simaria near Karmatar. And all after that, DC and other officials rushed to the spot. After that, it was declared that all the passengers on board was dead.
All right, Satyajit, do stay with us. So very unfortunate news coming to the fore from Jharkhand, where there was an air ambulance that took off at 7:11 p.m. yesterday evening, and almost after 23 minutes, it lost contact with the ATC, and it then crashed in a forest, and all 7 people on board the air ambulance were killed in this crash. So let's take a look at more details that are emerging of this ill-fated air ambulance crash. So the operator was Redbird Airways Private Limited. The aircraft was a Beechcraft C-90 VT AJV. Now, the aircraft took off from Ranchi in Jharkhand, and it was en route to the national capital, and it took off at 7:11 p.m. on Monday and went missing at 7:30 p.m. All 7 people on board are dead. They have been killed, which includes the pilot, the co-pilot, the medical team, and also the patient. So, what we know so far about this Jharkhand air ambulance crash is that the crash site was found in a forest area of Jharkhand. There is no survivor. All 7 people on board this air ambulance have been killed in this crash. It included 2 pilots, doctor, medical team, and also the patient. And the mishap happened as a burn patient was being shifted to Delhi from Ranchi, and the crash location was in Chatra in Jharkhand, and the crash happened in a remote forest terrain, and all 7 bodies have been recovered. 7 people were on board this aircraft, and all the 7 bodies have now been recovered. Now, what we're learning that inclement weather may be behind crash, as my colleague was mentioning that the weather wasn't that good. There was an alert that was issued by the IMD. The question still remains that how did the aircraft take off despite there being an alert? And the DGCA, meanwhile, has ordered a probe in this matter. Technical and weather factors are under the lens. So this is what is being probed as far as this crash is concerned. It is also important to note that this just comes weeks after we witnessed what happened with Maharashtra Deputy Chief Minister Ajit Pawar. His aircraft also crashed, and now we're learning that a similar incident has happened in Jharkhand.